it's Michaela and you're watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be filming a collective clothing haul. So I have some clothing pieces that I've gotten over time, and I've just collected enough to what I felt like was enough to do a haul video. So I have items from 3 places. I have items from JCPenney, thredUP, and primary.com. Without further ado, we'll just go ahead and get into this haul. I will try and link what I can find down below. Obviously, I won't be able to link anything from thredUP since it's an online consignment shop. Whatever you get is one of a kind, basically. But I will have a link down in the description box to thredUP. I have a referral link with thredUP. How many times can one say thredUP? If you use my link, I will receive credit to shop on thredUP when you make a purchase. And I think you guys get credit too. Win-win situation, but I'm really excited to share with you guys all the pieces from all the places that I went shopping. So let's go ahead and get into this haul video. I also forgot to mention that this video will not be a try-on haul. The past couple haul videos I've done have been try-on, but I don't know, I just didn't feel like doing a try-on for this one. So I apologize for that, but I still hope you guys enjoy the video nonetheless. So the first place that I'm going to show you guys some pieces from are, one piece actually is from JCPenney. I'm so sad that JCPenney is on the list of struggling retailers and is closing down a bunch of locations, mine included, which is such a bummer. And honestly, I saw this coming a while ago. I think the pandemic just did them in. It was just only a matter of time. But if you guys have been around here for a while, or pretty much any length of time, you know that I love JCPenney. I've always purchased so many of my clothes from JCPenney, and it's just one less retailer that I have to shop age-appropriate clothing. And so the closing of JCPenney is a huge loss for me, and I know they still have a website, and that's where I got these items from. I don't think all their locations are closing. To see how they keep their website running and the inventory that they have and whatnot, but it is a huge loss for me. But this is the only piece that I have to show you guys, and I ordered 2 other pieces explained in a minute, but it's just this really nice, beautiful blue tee. I really love the shade of blue in this top, and I love the buttons. It just adds a nice top. Super comfortable, but yet you can really dress this up nicely. And I don't know, I just really like it, but it can also be worn casually as well. Basically, you can look dressed up without having to put any effort in, which is the absolute best. So I really love this top. I actually purchased the same top in a light pink color, and then I also purchased a cheetah print tee, similar style to this, but it has a pink rib neck and then cheetah print, but they have not arrived. This was the one thing that was holding me back from filming this video. I almost didn't film this video because I wanted to include all these items in the collective clothing haul. I even expedited these items to make sure that they're here in time for the haul video. This top arrived on time, but the 2 others, which I'll insert a picture of, did not. I looked at the tracking. It's not been updated since August 25th, and it's now August 30th. The package is basically lost. It would do me no good to contact JCPenney because the items that I want are running out of stock. They're struggling as it is, so they're probably not restocking, and so I'm not even gonna get the items that I purchased. I contacted UPS, and I would have to create a whole account so they could launch an investigation, and I just have so much on my plate right now. I just don't have time for that. I'm hoping it eventually arrives. It's 1 city away from me. If I knew the location of the UPS place that it's at, I could go pick it up. I don't know where it is. I don't know the exact address of where it's at. So it's basically lost. Who knows if they'll ever actually arrive. I'm super bummed. And I was laughing because I messaged UPS on Twitter, and they were like, due to the global health concern, this and limited staff, packages are delayed. Seems like everybody's using COVID as an excuse for everything now, and we're 6 months into them. Everybody's saying because COVID. And I'm just laughing because it's not funny. COVID's not funny, obviously, but I have not received any late packages this whole pandemic. Not one late package. I have had other things shipped via PS, and they haven't been late either. I just think it's lost, and they don't want to tell me that it's lost. So sad that I don't have those other 2 items from JCPenney to show you guys. You'll see the photos. But they're so cute, and they're 2 of my most favorite pieces. I would have much rather had 2 pink tops arrive on time than the blue top. Not that I don't love the blue top, because I do, or else I wouldn't have bought it. But if I had to pick what ones made it, I would pick those 2. So I'm super bummed. I'm hoping it magically appears in my mailbox soon, but who knows? It's in the land of lost packages. But nonetheless, this haul must go on, so pictures will have to do. But there's a little story time on my JCPenney saga. The next store that I have things to show you guys from are actually just 2 items, and they're from primary.com. Primary.com is a great place to shop for basics. So I got 2 new skirts. I got this gray one. These are really, really short. On the website, it did not look like it was this short. I might wear these as like pajama bottoms. I don't really know. Maybe when I put it on, it won't be too short, but I don't know. They just look really short. So I got this gray one. They feel super comfortable though. And then I also got this navy one. It's showing up really, really dark on camera. So we just got this navy one. Again, just as short, but still super cute, and I'm excited to make these work. I haven't decided if I want to remove the tie or not. I probably will, just because I feel like it really cheapens the vibe. I don't know. I might remove the tie. I haven't decided yet though. So those are the 2 items that I got from primary.com. So the last shop that I have is thredUP. This is where I got the most stuff from, which I'm sure you guys are not shocked about. I have a whole mix of stuff from thredUP, obviously, because it's a consignment shop, and I have winter, spring, summery, fall stuff, like kind of all over the board, but they've had such cute stuff lately. I had to snag it. I'll show you guys what I picked up from thredUP. So even though I can't link these items, I will link a link from thredUP that you can join so that you can find some super fun thrift finds. First thing that I got from thredUP is this really fun top I actually wore. I'm actually wearing this top in a video that I'm uploading tomorrow. I don't know what day this video is going up. It's either tomorrow or the next day that you'll see me in this top. I love the pattern. It's got these fun spots, but they're not like traditional polka dots, and they're not cheetah print. They're just a really, really fun print, super modern and super, super dressy. I absolutely love this top, and this is originally from H&M. I shop on H&M quite frequently, and I don't ever remember seeing this on H&M, so this must be like an older style, but it is like brand new. I absolutely love it. I feel like there's those tops that you just see me wear frequently that are just the Michaela staple tops, and I feel like this is going to turn into one of those. Perfect for so many occasions. I absolutely love it, and it's just one of my favorites. This next item that I got from thredUP, I don't know, I was kind of disappointed by it, to be honest, if we're being transparent here. It's this dress, and it's originally by the brand Between. It's one of my favorite brands. It's a nice light pink. In person, it's just more dull than it looked on the website, and I love the crisscross pattern though, but I know it's like that dusty mauvey pink. That's, you know, that style. I love that color. But this just seems different than that even. It just seems dull for some reason. I'm a little bit disappointed by this. Maybe it will look better when I wear it. I don't know. I mean, the condition is like brand new, but just the color kind of threw me for a loop when I received it. But again, I love the crisscross pattern, and maybe it will grow on me once I wear it. But I probably won't be wearing this now until spring. But again, since it's an online consignment shop, I had to grab it when I seen it. I'm not typically disappointed by thredUP. Threw me for a loop a bit. This next item that we have here is by the brand Vintage Havana, and this is a nice little crop top, crop sweatshirt type of thing. It's super soft and fluffy. It has this really fun crisscross in the front. Nice oatmeal color. I love this color for fall and winter. Can't really tell, but it's just, the cut here is just kind of cropped, which is really nice. It'd be fun to style. Super soft and fluffy. Nice short little crop top for fall and winter. It's so soft. It's gonna be like I'm wearing a blanket, and I honestly can't wait. I'm super, super excited. And Vintage Havana is a really, really great high quality brand. It's like a Nordstrom Rack type of brand, and I love finding this kind of brand on thredUP. So this was a super great find. I'm telling you, the things that I got in this thredUP haul, well, in this collected clothing haul overall, is just so great, and these are some of my greatest thredUP finds. I just feel like I'm getting better and better. So the next thing that I got is this long sleeve tee, kind of sweatshirt style. This is from the brand Me and You, and it's just this light gray sweater, but what's super fun is on the bottom it's just kind of ripped. I'm like covering my whole body. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. On the bottom it's just kind of ripped. Most people don't have to cover their whole head to show you a top, but now you can see bottom is ripped, so that's super fun. Again, just a really unique style that I don't usually find in clothing my size, and sometimes those extra touches for most people aren't a big deal, but when you wear clothes that are my size, it's really hard to find items that aren't just basic, if you know what I mean. This was really nice, and I love how lightweight this is, and it's just going to be so comfortable. Again, just another staple for fall and winter, and it's just going to be one of my basic tops and that you see me wear all the time, so just be prepared. So these are probably the only fall and winter items that I'm going to get, because I'm actually going into Halo Traction. It might be 15 days or 2 weeks exactly when you guys see this video. I'm actually going to have to be wearing dresses every day till I get my Halo off after Spinal Fusion, because we have to cut the back open, insert zippers and all that. I won't be able to put clothing over my head. I actually probably won't get wear out of these long sleeve items until next season because, well, I might get some wear in them in January and February depending on how I'm doing recovery wise. That's a bummer, but again, these were just such great finds, I had to get them. So anyways, just thought I'd throw that in there. For some reason, some extra information. This next piece, I was kind of surprised that I picked this, but I really loved the style and I love this brand and it's just super comfy, and honestly I feel like because of the shade of purple that it is, I could wear this in the spring or even in the winter. It's just this basic cold shoulder top, like a dusty purple color. And fun fact, purple is one of my least favorite colors, but this isn't like the traditional color purple. I wanted to try it out, a different kind of color in my wardrobe, but typically I steer away from purple. So, but this is, again, something different, and I really love this brand. It's Kiddo by Katie. I have a couple other tops from this brand, and I really like the brand, so I wanted to try this top out as well. What I discovered about a lot of these items, they're just like items that are going to be staples for me, items that you see me wear all the time just because they're comfortable and they're just my style and my colors. So again, a lot of these tops you'll see are ones that you'll also see me wear quite frequently. So this is one of my favorites because of how incredibly comfortable this will be. It is so soft, like I actually can't get over it, and it's so lightweight. Looks blue on camera, but it's definitely more of like a gray tone. Color is really super funky on camera here. But it's by the brand Tucker and Tate, and it's another Nordstrom, like Nordstrom Rack kind of brand. It's such high quality. I don't typically buy these kinds of items full price. Again, another reason why I love thredUP. Perfect condition, like brand new. Love it. It is so comfortable. Just a basic long sleeve tee, perfect for fall and winter. Just a Michaela staple, and I can't get over how comfortable and lightweight this is. One of those tops that I know I'll always be gravitating towards in my closet, and I'm way too excited about this. Also, if you're wondering why there's a wet spot on here, this is not from thredUP. Chloe picked this up for me because I dropped it, so it has a little bit of a dog slobber. Sorry about that, but that's not from thredUP. The next top that I have is, like I said, another gray top. I'm not sure why it looks so twisted, but this is by the brand Harper Canyon, another Nordstrom brand, and it is so nice. I have another top by this brand and I absolutely love it. I saw this one on the Nordstrom Rack website a couple months ago in this color, the gray color, because I don't know what color I have this top in. I really wanted the gray one, but they were out of my size, but then I saw it on thredUP a few weeks ago, so I had to get this. Really, really love Harper Canyon, and just a really great quality casual piece. This is another top that I could easily dress up or dress down. I don't know, this top is like really funky. It looks super long for some reason, and it's hard to show you guys. Sorry about that. The last item in this haul is a top from Abercrombie Kids. It's another cold shoulder style, and are you guys really surprised? Probably not. It's by the brand Abercrombie Kids in this navy blue color. I love finding Abercrombie Kids stuff on thredUP. Abercrombie Kids is a really expensive brand, and I do buy their items full price sometimes if it's an item that I really, really want, but I love finding their pieces on thredUP. Abercrombie Kids is one that is just super high quality, and again, another great shop for me to purchase age-appropriate clothing, and you guys know I wear my stuff from Abercrombie Kids in videos all the time. They're just some of my favorite pieces. I was excited to find this one on thredUP. So that is it for this clothing haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know it wasn't probably very quick, but I tried to be quick because I know these clothing hauls tend to be kind of long, but let's be real, it's a fun size style video, so it probably wasn't very quick, but nonetheless, I still hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have everything that I can link down below, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. I will say I think this will be the last traditional clothing haul on my channel for this year. What I mean by traditional is next month, September, you'll see a video of what I'm going to be wearing while in Halo Traction. I'm basically only able to wear dresses because my mom and I are going to insert zippers so I can like just zip them up because I won't be able to put clothing over my head. I'll be wearing dresses for like over 100 days. I bought a whole bunch of dresses, and some brands also reached out and sent me some as well, and so I'm really excited to showcase those brands. So you'll see that video in September, and then I'll be buying more dresses throughout the process and traction because I mean, bought like a decent amount for, you know, the time I'm gonna need them, but definitely not enough that's gonna last me like over 100 days to where I don't get absolutely sick of wearing the same ones over and over. So you might see like a part 2 to that video in November, October, December. I don't really know, but other than that, like dresses, all this will be it for here because of my health circumstance. I do hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!